So our non-how-to video is going to be random clips because he doesn't want to make a video, but we're going to make a video.
We're not going to make a video.
We're making a video. We're putting this gooseneck prep thing in our dad's truck because we got a surprise. All right, since this isn't a how-to, in case you forgot 5 seconds ago, we made it this far without showing you anything. So we've got it all laid out. We've got this hole and this hole lined up and ready to go, as well as the middle one. So now what he's gonna do is he's gonna get a 1/4-inch drill bit, since you probably forgot the size. You're welcome. And then he's gonna drill, he's gonna drill pilot holes where we have them marked out. As you can see, we have it marked on each one. Another one right there. And then after that was loud. After that, we're gonna go underneath the truck and disconnect the bed, lift it up a little bit, just enough to get the stuff in there. All that fun stuff. And we'll get back to you here in a few seconds. All right, got our holes drilled. Good job, Jacob, good job. Yeah, all right. Under the truck now, got the spare tire removed, got that little heat shield thing removed. Only got the middle hole drilled so far because the other smaller hole saw burnt up. But got one bed bolt removed. It's tougher to get out than I thought. Right there. Gonna do that one and then gotta get the others. All right, as you can see under here, got these things in now, right here. But this exhaust is in the way, so we're gonna have to disconnect it right there and then slide it off of this hanger, pull the exhaust out, and then we'll be able to get this big piece up there. All right, finally, with a little bit of extra persuasion, we were able to get the exhaust off. Thank God. That rubber piece sucked. All right, pretty excited. So that surprise I was telling you about just a minute ago, well, finally getting it. Been waiting on this thing for a few months. Originally should have gotten it a little bit sooner, but it doesn't matter, we're getting it now. So I just left work. I'm headed to go pick up my brother. His job got canceled today, so luckily he'll be able to go with me. So I'm gonna pick him up from my parents. And then from there, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go pick up the new toy. So give us a, you'll see here in a second. It's awesome. Okay, we got the surprise. We're going home right now, but it's been hailing where we're at, like real big, like golf ball size. And our dad's truck's windshield's all busted out and everything, so it's real nice. But if you look out the back glass there, we got a freaking gooseneck, dude. 36 foot, 3 foot dovetail. Yep. Awesome. Yeah, it's pretty cool. If the weather was nicer, we would show you a little bit more. But since it's, like he said, been hailing and now raining really hard again, we're gonna have to do that rest of the video a different day. Yep. So, yeah. If we would have stepped outside earlier, we would have got knocked out. So, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, probably not the best time to be dropping the trailer off, but you know, just got hailed on under tornado warnings, all that stuff. It's raining its nuts off. My truck is getting dirty. We're leaving ruts that we gotta fix. All right. Welcome back. It's been many, many months. Okay, so since the last 2 seconds of the video you watched before this. Anyways, as you see, the surprise that we got a new little gooseneck trailer. Anyways, so we're gonna get into the details of the thing before we draw this out like we did the last time we tried doing this.
For starters, it's a 36-foot, 21,000-pound rated gooseneck with an extended neck for the lifted truck and maybe any other bigger truck we decide to have in the future.
Got that little thing.
Yep. Oh yeah.
That little thing.
And then it's also got a 3-foot dovetail instead of a 2-foot dovetail, and it's supposed to have longer ramps. We didn't get longer ramps. This trailer was ordered forever ago. We were supposed, so when we picked this up, however many months ago, we were supposed to have had this trailer already by like, 3 months before that, basically. And the reason it took so long was because they made the trailer the wrong length. They built it as a 22-footer instead of a 36-footer. I don't really know how that happens. It probably looks really funny having an extended neck, only being 22 foot long and having 3 axles up.
Yeah.
But it's, aside from the upgrades, which, oh, dude, look at the size of that grasshopper. Dude, that thing's big. Okay, back to the trailer. Anyways, no. So yeah, like we said, extended neck. It's 36 foot. It's got a 3-foot dovetail, and it's a 3 sevens for the axles. And it's also got this upgraded paint, which was the metallic silver. So, things we don't like about the trailer. Things we don't like about the trailer are, if you look at the paint up close, you'll notice for some reason. We've only used this trailer like 3 times, mind you, okay? And it's been sitting for a few months, but that's about it.
And we take pretty good care of it. I mean, we just washed it.
There's literally,
so.
yeah, we literally just washed it.
I don't know many people that wash a trailer.
But there's rust coming through on places. There's like rust coming through up there. There's just rust coming through on like numerous places, which is rather annoying. On the boxes over here, it's hard to tell now, but here in the back here, same over here. There's a spot here and over here. It was so bad, like you could almost put your finger through on the one spot over there. So I had to load them up with a bunch of silicone caulk.
And then,
which we weren't really thrilled about.
Also, behind this tubing, they just painted over the tubing when it was already there. So there's just going to be a giant rust spot right there all the time. So that's pretty cool.
We had these D-rings put on. This was an option also. So those were another added little thing. There's an option that you can do where you can get like toolboxes right here and on the backside. So that's why there's so much empty space compared to like a normal trailer that would just stop here. Obviously, we don't have those toolboxes. That would cost more money. But I'm assuming you can add it in the future. We just have the regular hand crank jack. We don't have hydraulic jacks. There's boxes up front. Obviously, as we said about the other stuff earlier.
We stained the deck.
Oh yeah, we stained the deck. We did the cheapest deck option. It's just treated lumber. That's all it is. Yeah. But we stained it this nice dark brown color, but it needs a second coat.
Yeah. It's only one coat, and we just washed the side by side on it, so it's a little dirty up here. Yeah. But yeah.
Now, as a whole, we love the trailer. It pulls extremely well. The lights are really nice on it. It's really easy to load and unload off of. And even though it's not hydraulic jacks, it's incredibly easy to mess with. It's gotten easier the more we mess with it.
We're just a little nitpicky. I mean, you can tell by our trucks. You know what I mean? We like our stuff to look good. You know what I mean? And then we even stained the deck and everything. But
it's kind of aggravating whenever you've got spots in the paint that are coming through that are that it shouldn't be rusting already. It does have really nice pinstriping though. So whoever did the pinstriping from the factory did a nice job. And these steps are super nice. They actually have an LED light on them underneath it that shines down onto the step, and it's kind of cool because it'll actually light the easy step up right here, shines straight on the ground, kind of like a projector at night, which is kind of neat. I don't know if they were supposed to do that or not, or just coincidence, but it does. So, if you come to the back of the trailer, this is where our ramps go in. They slide in and tuck in there, so that way they're not in the way. We almost did the mega ramp option, and then and then we realized, we're like, oh wait, we probably shouldn't do that, because whenever we'd use other people's trailers in the past, it just took up too much space, and we need like every inch of the trailer we can.
It's nice. I mean, when we were just hauling my truck on it, the back end of my truck was pretty much right in line with the back.
So then we wouldn't have been able to put the ramps down. That would have been a problem. So, we got black wheels also. Yep. So they're not fancy.
We put polished wheels on everything else, but black wheels look better on a trailer in our opinion. So.
Especially whenever you've got silver and a dark deck.
Yeah. So.
But we plan on putting a bunch of clearance, like, you know, amber chicken lights, whatever you want to call it, going down at some point, and then putting some rock lights underneath it, because why not?
Another little thing I feel like they should have probably thought it through a little bit more is probably the license plate.
Yeah, we've already bent it back and forth several times.
It's kind of, it just hangs low. I mean, I understand other trailers, I guess, have this too, but I feel like there's like a way better option for that.
Yeah, I do like the clear lenses though. Instead of having red lenses, that might be something stupid to most people, but I like it. I like that they're clear.
My truck looks good when it's on it.
It does look good on it. We'll have to edit some stuff in there. We just got back from Lifted Truck Nationals, so. But
that's a shirt right there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Anyway,
we also took it to Tailgate and Tall Boys.
we did take it to Tailgate and Tall Boys. That was the first show we took it to, and then we had to use it to pick up his truck when his truck caught on fire.
Yep.
We have a video about that, I think.
Yeah.
That hasn't come out yet. Anyway, so we'll get into the we'll make sure this is in the background, because this is a good background, right? So anyway, details on why we haven't been posting. Me and him have been out of town nonstop for like lots of months. When we picked this trailer up, the beginning of this video was, we had just gotten back in town not too long before that. We thought we were going to be in town, and then we weren't. And we literally have had this trailer sitting at our buddy's house ever since then. As you saw, my truck was getting hailed on and everything. We picked it up at the worst time possible. Everything was fine. No, I got a little bit of dents on the roof of my truck, but it's good. Hopefully we can get some videos out. We and him both have plenty of things that we can make videos about, but we just are never home anymore. Hopefully that changes. So sorry we haven't posted anything. We kind of like posting, but
I feel like we kind of say that in a few videos.
we do.
Know,
we say it in
but
a few videos. It's hard to do.
it's hard to do with what we do.
Yeah,
for a
we're
living,
just gone all
so.
the time, so it's hard to make videos. But anyways, hopefully you like the trailer. This is kind of a long-term review at this point, because we've had it for so long, and we've used it a handful of times. We just took it on the trip we just went for the Lifted Truck Nationals was like over 5 hours away. And like I said, despite the things we don't like about the trailer overall and the way that it functions is amazing. Like, it performs extremely well.
We're used to using pedal hitches, so it's way better than that. There's not as much slop, and it's just. Yeah.
But if you guys have any questions about the trailer, feel free to reach out and ask us. We'll tell you anything that we feel that we're capable of answering for you.
Yeah.
For
And we're pretty honest.
So,
we know it's not like we're freaking sponsored by anything. So.
But yeah. Anyways, so this is our Doolittle drive over fender trailer that we got. This was the big surprise. The video. Oh, the very first clip at the beginning, we were putting the gooseneck hitch stuff in our dad's truck. So, some stuff ended up being lined up right. That was not our doing. Something is messed up underneath. So just ignore that first clip, okay? But that was what the surprise was when we were talking about it. So anyways, hope you sort of enjoyed the video, and we will hopefully try to get some better and more stuff out more often to you guys soon. Thanks for watching.